Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. ISERR function returns true for any error type except the #n/a error. In this case, we will check if selected range contains any error value except #n/a. You can notice that formula has returned answer as false for #n/a error, and for other type of errors, it has returned as true. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.